So Next Ink app AI tattoo design. So how to install it? So just super cool app to try on, and AI tattoo ideas. Welcome to your personal tattoo design guide. Whether you're dreaming of a bold new piece or something uniquely yours, Next Ink is here to help you create the perfect tattoo. Explore a variety of styles with Next Ink. You can browse through a wide range of styles to match your vision, from intricate mandalas and fierce dragons to delicate florals and minimalist designs. Personalize your tattoo, visualize your dream tattoo, seamless design process. So yeah, to install it, just tap get, and here, yeah, you will just be getting these tattoo generations. You just open it up, and you can just tap the idea, choose a prompt, and then you have the ideas. As you can see, this is how easy it looks. And yeah, all of these kind of scenarios you can just have. So yearly is just $40 per year or $7 per week. There is no free trial, seems like that. And let's just take a look here. Oh wow, they're just offering some new ideas. So 50% off. So $20 per year. And then what you want for your tattoo. Type to generate your tattoo. Simply describe what you want or try inspiration for some ideas. So, and then select style, and then yes. So for example, this is what it is, and then you just select a style. You have some pro styles, but for example, yeah, let's just generate some Japanese dragon style. This is what you will get on. And obviously there is watermark. If you want to remove watermark, you need to upgrade. So this is kind of tattoo, but this is not the end. The cool feature of this app is that you can just tap try on, and then yeah, you can just basically try it on your hand or on your back. So you just need to take a photo of your back or anything, and then you just basically see how it will look like exactly on your body. So that's the cool feature of this app. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. Then you have all of these different walls, and then yeah, you can just generate it like that. So flower tattoos, and then yeah, you have history. So that's basically the idea in here. That's the app. So try it out. It's called Next Ink.